Hi, Karinan with HTML tutorial for beginners. In this lesson, you will learn how to make a table, which can help you to show up some information or some HTML elements, pictures, paragraph, especially if they are related to each other. So briefly, tables consist of columns and rows, and that's not new. But the essential part to create a table in HTML is rows. So let me create a table and see how is that so easy. The table will be inside a table tag, and let me make a table for the identity. Like I told you that the essential part is the rows. So the first row is the header or the title. For example, for the identity. So the title or the header for the table will be his name, his age, and finally, for example, make his profession. So those are the first row, which is the header. So the first row, TR, short for table row. And then let me close it. And the first row is the header. So TH, table header, and then the first header, which is the name, for example, and then another one, age, and finally the last one, it will make it job or profession, so his job or her. So this is the first row. Then the second row is the data of this table. So it will be the name and the age and the job for this person. So table row, and to insert the data inside the row, we will use TD, short for table data. So the first column will be the name. So for example, I will make my name, and let me make the age 23, and finally job. Let me make another one, for example, for someone called Johnny, and his age is 25, and he works as teacher. And to make another one for someone called, let me make it a girl, so let me make it Rachel, the name, the age 30, and finally the profession doctor. So let me save and see the table. This is an old table I've created before, and the table that we will create will be like this. So let me reload now and see our table. So here is the name, the age, the job, which is the header for the table, and then the data inside the table. So we start creating the table using the rows, and the first row is the header and then the data. Maybe now it's not looks like a table, and when you learn CSS, but we can make a border without CSS. Let me see this. So just I will add an attribute border and save. Let me see now. Nice. So here is the border. What if I wanna change its thickness? So equal to make it 5 pixels. Nice. So here is the table. Let we add another row, but this row just has a name. We make it Alonso and age 40, and consider he is jobless. There is no work. So the table now not looks good. So we can change the width or the size for this data 40. So we will do this by adding an attribute called column span, which specify how many columns that this element should take. So let me give it another 2 columns. So by default has 1 column. Nice. So now the table looks better. So that's everything about tables. If you have any question, don't hesitate to ask me. See you.